Today we're introducing the new designated marksman rifle. These are the first soldiers to go through this training package, and this is going to increase the Army's ability to engage targets at extended ranges. Now, the weapon itself is extremely accurate, matched with a scope, easily engage targets at 800 metres, and now we've got inexperienced firers and they've been able to achieve similar results as highly trained snipers.
The training that we've done for the Lewis Machine & Tools rifle has leveraged off the already quality training we give to our New Zealand soldiers. We've given the soldiers some extra training and skills in reading the wind, firing at different angles, high angle, low angle, and the ability to rapidly adjust their fall of shot to make sure their fire is effective.
If the firer is well trained, can judge distances, identify targets, relay the information to the rest of the section, they can get the most out of the weapon as possible.
It's a real good rifle to fire, the accuracy is real good. It's hardly any kick when you're firing, so that's awesome, good for the shoulders, and well, the quality of the rifle is, yeah, it's amazing. It's way better than what we've ever used it before.
It has met and surpassed their expectations in every aspect. It's not a sniper rifle, we're not expecting to get snipers from the system, but the capability this puts into the section commander's hands, particularly for our deployed troops, has been very, very impressive. It's really quite rewarding to see the selection and purchasing of equipment that's going to go into our soldiers' hands for operations offshore, to make sure that our soldiers, sailors and airmen, but particularly the soldiers on operations in high threat environments at the moment, are equipped with the best weapons we can give them in the best time available.